Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Erin Eno, and today I have blurred out the final result for my painting session because it's an art therapy session, and I figured since I didn't know what I was going to paint, I didn't even know what colors I was going to use, and it was going to be a surprise to me, so I thought it should be a surprise to you. So I just needed a little calming time of painting just to relax and clear my mind. So if you're feeling a little stressed or anxious, hopefully watching this will calm you down, or maybe you can even grab your paints and paint along and join in a little art therapy. So let's just jump right in and get painting. I'm just feeling a little anxious with this whole COVID thing, and I really just wanted to sit down and paint something. So something and paint nothing at the same time. So I'm not giving this a description right now because I don't know what I'm going to end up with. I just want to get some paint on paper, and I thought I'd film it so you can watch, because sometimes I think that's just what you need, not to overthink things, which I have a tendency to do, and just play with the paints, let them do what they do, and see what you end up with. So I am not even going to clean up my palette. I'm just going to paint with the colors I have mixed in there and add to them if I feel like it. So right off the start, I want to, with some clean water, I'm just going to wet some areas of the paper. Not everywhere, just in some spots, because I just kind of want this to do whatever. Surprise me when I put the paints down. So I will start with watercolor, always light to dark, so I don't want to overwhelm myself. I'm just going to start with some light washes, some light pinks. And I'm just going to lay some color down wherever. I don't know if they're going to be flowers or who knows. We'll see. We will see. Just putting paint down in shapes because it's fun to do that. I'm just using, I didn't really go over my supplies. I'm using 100% cotton watercolor paper today because I knew that I was going to let the paint do what it did. So that would be blends and bleeds and all that fun stuff. So that's why I chose 100% cotton paper today. Sometimes I use the other paper just because I know if you're starting out, you may not have invested in 100% cotton. So it's nice to see the odd project on cellulose paper, student grade paper. Not that it's bad, it's just a little harder to work with. But today we're going all out. Just going to, I have a tendency, I find, to go in with the darker colors a little too early. So I'm just going to keep building on this. I'm not going too dark all at once. And I think I'll introduce maybe some purple. Again, just a light wash. Don't know what this is going to be, which is the fun of it. So no real lesson here other than sit down and have fun with your watercolors. Especially if you're a little anxious and overthinking the state of the world, which I've been doing lately. I like that pink. It's like a dusty rose. And I apologize if the lighting's not great today. It's a little later in the day than I would usually do a video, but you paint when the need strikes you. So here, I kind of thought this might happen. I'm kind of guiding this into the direction of flowers, but that's okay. They're going to be very loose, if not abstract, so let's go in with the purple. I'm not putting it down in any particular order or thought process. I'm just letting it go. So if you're looking at a piece of paper and you're scared to put paint down on it, don't be. It's only paper. It's only paint on paper. It's not the end of the world. I think I'll bring a little bit of yellow in. Why not? Just little dabs here and there. I don't even care if I get blooms on this, because like I said, I'm just going to let the paint do what it does. See, there's a little bloom there, and I'm okay with that. So now I think I want to darken things up a bit. Start to put some color into this. I do like the softness, but I do want some depth too. So I'm just going to take that pink. I don't want it really bright, so I'm going to tone it down with a little bit of this kind of brown tone. Let's go make some purple again. And since I've pretty much made up my mind that these are flowers, we will get some green in there. But I don't want a real true green. So I'm going to make it a little on the blue side, I think. There we go. Some really dark areas in here. It's going to bleed into the wet areas of the flowers, which I kind of like sometimes. This is why I started painting with watercolors, just to let your mind go. I'm going to leave this really pure pink. Let's see what happens. I don't even know what parts of the paper are still wet, and which ones are really dry. But I like the purple and the yellow together. And bring in some more of that yellow. This one kind of looks like a tulip. And I don't know what this one looks like. That's the purple. More of that dark purple in there. And I think even we've got more of the purple. Oops. Bluer than that. Let's put a little pop of it up here. Oh, that's nice and dark. And go in with some really bright pink. This is just a rosy pink. Just want to put it in full blast here. See what happens. Well, and then we're going to tap some of the purple in there. I don't know what I'm doing. We shall see. Didn't really like those lines. I like this flower. See, this is what I mean. I may not like the whole painting, not sure about it, but I like the effects over here of the layering. So even if you don't like what you painted, you're learning as you go. And you'll get something out of it, even if it's just a relaxing 15 minutes. Sometimes that's all you need. So I actually kind of like these little flowers. So there you have it. A little, I don't know what, 15-minute, whoops, I need a brush rest. But there you go. It's just a little abstract kind of floral just to get your yayas out and just decompress your brain a bit. So give that a try and see what you come up with. If anything, you know, you'll end up with a clearer mind, calmer mind, and maybe a pretty picture. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll join me for more. Again, follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials. Not that this is much of a tutorial, it's more of a little paint along, but subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll know when my new videos are up, and I hope to see you back soon.